Hello everyone, welcome back to the art tutorial channel of artist Azaru. In today's video, I'll guide you through this artwork, making it simple and easy to all artists here. So what are you waiting for? Just grab your drawing materials and let's get started.
Step 1. Draw the grid lines. Let's start by drawing the grid lines. Keep the lines light and neat as they'll help you sketch the drawing properly as shown in the video. Step 2. Erase the grid lines and darken the drawing. Once the basic drawing is completed, gently erase the grid lines, then darken your drawing to make the outline clearer and proper, followed by this video. Step 3. Add details and finalize the drawing. Now, it's time to refine the outline and add all important details and complete the final touches to finish your drawing of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more step-by-step drawing videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video on Artist Azaru.